are very excited to welcome over 200 early childhood stakeholders from all across the Harris County region and area. These stakeholders are coming together to talk about the critical importance of early childhood and how we can continue to support the efforts now and in the future for a brighter future for all children.
I'm excited to be here today at this Harris County Childhood Convening, in particularly because we are one of the partners in Harris County's efforts to improve early childhood in our community. I could honestly say this is one of the most exciting times to see the investment that Harris County has made, as well as the partners and the different groups and child cares, and how everybody has come together to, again, try to improve the early care and education availability, accessibility, affordability for all the families in the region.
Working with the Early Childhood Initiatives team, I've really been impressed with just the collaboration. I want to thank those organizations that have been with us along for the ride. This was a new investment. I want to thank Commissioners Court for making the historic investment of ARPA dollars for these programs.
When families have what they need, when children thrive, we create the building blocks for a better society. Because children that have what they need grow up to be productive members of society. We're focused on the needs of the kids, but we're thinking about the long term. This is the best investment that communities can make in the long-term success of the community.
This is when networking comes into place, and this is more than just a strategy. This is something that we should all be doing just to make sure that we really advocate for the most vulnerable populations that we have out there. A lot of our families do not know of all the opportunities that are out there. They don't know. This is when you're passionately sick about, this is when you're going to do whatever you need to do to connect with that person. And whenever you're talking to somebody, making sure that you make the connection so you can go ahead and reach your goal.
It's an honor to be working with such leaders in the Harris County and Houston area to make sure that early childhood is a focus and a priority. It is powerful to see how many people are coming together to make sure that our children are taken care of.